Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all of the box accessories of LENOVO Tab P12. Let's open the box and see what's inside. And inside, the first thing is obviously the tablet, and under it you get two trays. You can lift them, and under the first one on the right side you can see a charging brick for USB-A and a charging cable that's USB-A to USB-C, so it fits both the charging brick as well as your tablet. Then on the left side you can see the pencil for your tablet that has USB-C, a pencil replacement tip, and some documentation, as well as an SD card tray opener. And that's all inside of the box. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.